So as you can see now, we know how to get the data and display the data like this, but this is not useful. We don't want to display the data like this. It's still very difficult to go through the data, and it's not user friendly. Therefore, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to display this data in an awesome table here using Bootstrap, where the user will see the data easily, will be able to go through the data, will be able also to find any currency he is interested or she is interested in easily and quickly. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to head over back to my project, and then in my project, in order to display the data in HTML and CSS, we need to create here a folder called templates. And this folder must be named templates. It cannot be named anything else. It must be named templates. And then inside this templates, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a new file, and then I'm going to name it rates.html. And then in the index.py, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to return this rates.html. To do that, in order to return HTML in Flask, we need to import the template. So we need here to say from Flask import render template, which is a function that is going to allow us to return an HTML file instead of returning simple text. So here, instead of returning response.json, I'm going to remove this now. And then what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to here say return, and then I'm going to return render template, and then I'm going to pass the name of the template. So what is the name of the template? The name of the template that we want to return is rates.html. So here I'm going to say rates.html. And then the second parameter is the data that you want to pass to the template. For now, I'm going to pass nothing. I'm going to just leave it empty. So I'm going to remove this comma for now. And in the rates, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add some code. So I'm going to here type exclamation and then hit enter. And this is going to add the basic. And then here I'm going to say H1. And then I'm going to say cryptocurrency. Now let me save and head on over to the browser and refresh. And if I refresh, you'll find that I have now cryptocurrency returned like this, because now I have returned HTML instead of returning simple text. So this is HTML. This is not a simple text. This is HTML.